Well, g'day everybody, and thanks for joining me. Well, let me tell you something. The drone flying business is not all beers and skittles, let me tell you that. Today I was brutally attacked, from the air. I could not believe it. I was quietly flying my drone. Next minute, crack into my ear hole. Let me tell you, look at that, boom, draw blood, and I look around, where is this thing anyway? It's a little butcher bird, isn't it? He's up in the tree, he's looking down at me going, having a bit of a laugh at me, little bugger. So anyway, I scare him off and off he flies to the next tree. So I'm flying away again, and around about 5 minutes time, crack, same ear hole, same thing, same blood. I could not believe it. So I ended up sitting in my car to finish the flight. I opened the door up because they're going to attack you from the back, not the front. So anyway, I'm going to get some of those bike helmets with the little spiky things on top. That'll get rid of them. So I was down at Wellington Point. I got every single aspect of this sunrise, right from when it's below the horizon, right the way up. It was absolutely beautiful out there today. No wind, great fly day, absolutely fantastic. So please enjoy the footage I have here at Wellington Point. I'm going to go have myself a lay down because I feel absolutely worse than I do when I have the man flu. And be careful, watch those birds when you're out there flying your drone, or even walking around for that matter. And I shall see you on the next one. Ciao.